Hey guys, I'm Peyton Hansen.
And I'm Austin Bergera.
We served our LDS missions in Madagascar and both just fell in love with everything about it, the people, language, culture, everything.
Peyton initially just approached me to just make a funny video in Malagasy that we could share with our friends on Facebook.
We posted the first funny video and overnight it picked up like 10,000 views.
Then we made a second video and the same thing happened. So eventually we just made a page on Facebook that now has 26,000 followers.
At first our videos were kind of just comedic, but after we realized we had such a big following, we wanted to take advantage of the opportunity to bring to pass something positive and something big for the Malagasy people.
And it's been amazing to see the responses that we've received from this. We get hundreds of new messages every week, and a large majority of them just have awesome stories of how these videos have affected their lives.
One specific memory I have was a private message from a Malagasy lady that lives back east here in the States actually, and I just remember her telling this story of her two little kids that she's been trying to teach the Malagasy language, but just due to the environment has been disappointing and become fairly difficult for her. But after seeing our videos, she just remembered the love and the patriotism she has for Madagascar, and because of that was rejuvenated and felt motivated to keep teaching her kids the Malagasy language, and through that pass on her heritage. It's not only everyday Malagasy people that are contacting us. We've had messages from presidential candidates, the biggest movie stars, movie producers, the most famous musicians that are all interested in being involved in what we're doing and wanting us to be involved with what they're doing.
We already have a contract in place with the biggest TV station in Madagascar. We will be making weekly videos for them that are geared towards youth and teaching them positive values in everyday life.
We are fundraising in order to be able to return to Madagascar for 3 months from around mid-April to July so that we can expand our audience and strengthen our relationships in order to help the Malagasy people.
And finally, we'd just like to thank you again for coming onto our page and learning a little bit more about us.